How to unban OmeTV on iPhone. If you want to unban OmeTV on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now you want to check your internet connection. Next thing you want to do is disconnect VPN if that is connected. For this, on your settings, click on the General option. Then scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, if VPN is connected, disconnect that. Now the next thing you want to do is open up App Store. Here search for OmeTV. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If you still get the error, then the next thing you can do is delete OmeTV app. For that, head back over to your settings. Then go to General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Search for OmeTV here. Tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. Once you have deleted that, you again want to reinstall it from App Store. If your problem is still not fixed, the last thing you want to do is open up Safari. Now you want to type ome.tv. Here, scroll all the way down and tap on the Contacts option. Then you want to tap on contact@ometv.com. Now you want to email to OmeTV support. Make sure that you enter all the description. After that, they will help you as soon as possible, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.